What up, YouTube? Ty Youngin back with another video, and today we on how to make your screenshots look way better. I know some of us when we take a screenshot, it be blurry and stuff like that, so I figured out a way to make it a little bit more clear for you to see. A little bit more clear, if you can see, if you put the contrast up, it makes it more clear, more detailed, and yeah. And if you put it down and put it a little less, well, you can see that it's a difference on it. Well, but then we did LeBron contrast. Like, it goes a little bit darker, but it also makes it more detailed when it goes darker. You can see him a little bit better. Then if you put it at 0, see how I got all the way up, it gets a little darker, and when I put it down, a little lighter. In the middle, so I was like, it put it too dark in the back, so I put it at like 20, so it don't change the photo that much, but it also put a little bit of detail. Saved it. You seeing that's how you save.